Guys, today our Foundation JEE channel we are going to study a new topic in math. The name of the topic is algebra. Guys, in this video we will study the definition of algebra and algebraic equation or expression. Okay guys, then we will see various terms which are being used while expressing the algebraic expression, like terms, factors, coefficient. Okay guys, as you know, algebraic expressions are various types, so we will also discuss the same in this video. And after learning all these things, we will solve some algebraic expression. Now first we define here the word algebra. Okay, so algebra, guys, in math, when you express any equation or formula by using letters is called algebra. Okay guys, here letters in some books written as literals. Okay, so you don't confuse English letters and literals. Okay, so A, B, C, M, L, X, Y, etc. are known as literals. Okay. Now see a simple example for your understanding how the algebra works in mathematics. Consider here a rectangle. Okay, suppose here M and L are length and breadth of this rectangle, then perimeter of this rectangle is equal to what? So you know guys, this length and this length must be same in case of rectangle, and this length and this length must be same. So perimeter is what? It is the outer boundary length. Okay, so outer boundary length is M plus L plus M plus L. Okay guys, when we group like term M plus M, L plus L, then this becomes 2M and this becomes 2l. Okay guys, and if we take 2 common, then it becomes 2 small bracket open, then a small bracket closed here. Okay guys, so this one is a formula to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle here. Okay guys, now see here, 2 is known as a constant term. Okay, and m and l are variables term. Okay, so guys, what will be the definition of a constant? Okay, in algebra, so in algebra, when coefficient term is fixed, okay, then it is called constant. Okay guys, here in this case coefficient is constant, okay, and its value is also constant, that is its numeric value is 2 guys. Okay, so next one is a word I used here, variables. So guys, what will be the definition of variable? See here, variables, the literals whose value vary according to data or information. Then it is known as variable. Okay guys, see, if I make a smaller rectangle here, okay, and the length of this rectangle is also L and M, then perimeter is also 2 into L plus M here. Okay guys, see, as this one is a bigger rectangle compared to this one, suppose this length is 4 centimeter and this length is 3 centimeter, then what will be the perimeter? P equal to here 2, then put the value of M here, which is 4, and L is 3, and then centimeter, then this becomes 14 centimeter. Okay guys, now consider a smaller one rectangle. Suppose this one length is 2 centimeter and this one length is 1 centimeter, then its perimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. So guys, what you noticed here, that according to the information here, length and breadth, the value of literals are varying. Okay, so these are known as a variables in algebra. Okay guys, constant and variables are clear to you. Now next we will see term and factor So guys, take our previous example of rectangle again. This length is m, l, rectangle. Okay, now guys, if we write formula of perimeter, then p denotes the perimeter here, then this becomes m plus l. Okay guys, so guys, 2m plus 2l. Okay guys, so guys, see here, the 2m and 2l, 2m and 2l are known here terms in this formula. Okay guys, and if you see here 2m, so you can write 2 multiplication of m. Okay, and here you can say have two factors which are 2 and m. Okay guys, so factor means what? Factor means the variable or constant which divide the term completely and there is zero remainder. Okay guys, so guys, you can see here a term is basically formed by the product of factors. Okay, now guys, see another word, coefficient. Okay, coefficient. Guys, coefficient is nothing, basically it is a numeric factor or variable factor according to question asked to you. Okay, in this case, suppose you consider 2m, so you can say here 2 is coefficient of m. If somebody asks you what will be coefficient of m in 2m, okay, then your answer is 2 here. Okay, however, if somebody asks to you what will be coefficient of 2 in 2m, then your answer is m. So what you see, according to the question, coefficient may be constant or variable. Okay guys, you can see here, suppose I write here 2x square y. Okay, so if somebody asked you, okay, we can write it as a this also. Okay, so somebody if asked you, oh guys, tell me what is the coefficient of xy here. Okay, so your answer will be 2x. Okay guys, so guys, according to the question, you can define the word coefficient. Okay, now I think terms and coefficient are clear to you. Now next we will see a question based on what we read till now. Okay, now guys, suppose this one 5x square plus 4y minus 3y cube. Okay, or question asking to you write down tree diagram of above algebraic expression. Okay, so guys, what will be the definition of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression when an expression in math expressed with combination of like and unlike terms or only like term or unlike term is known as algebraic expression. Okay guys, so guys, come to our question. 5x square plus 4y minus 3y cube. Okay guys, now we want to write a tree diagram. So first we write this one, then we draw a vertical line, then horizontal line. Okay, so how many terms in this question? There are 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. So we write here 3 term. Okay, see, this one is 5x square, 4y, and this one is a 3y cube guys. So this one is known as a expression, this one is known as terms. Okay, so next one is our factor. Okay, so factor guys, as here see, question is a tree diagram. When you are talking about a tree, then there must be branches. So in this tree diagram, we show the branch by dotted line. Okay, so first of all, we factorize this 5x square. We can write here 5 multiplication x multiplication x, 4y, 4 into y, and minus 3y cube equal to minus 3 into y square. This one is wrong, guys. Okay, so what will be the correct? Minus 3 into y into y into y. Okay, guys, so we represent branch by dotted line. Okay, so how many factors? There are 3 factors. So this one is 5x and x. For this one, 2 factors, 4 and y. So 4 and y. And for this, guys, there are 4 branches. First one is minus 3, second y again, then y, then y. So guys, in this way we can draw a tree diagram in algebra. Okay, or you can say for mathematical expression. Okay, guys, now next we will see various algebraic expressions which are being commonly used while writing a algebraic equation or expression. Okay, guys, algebraic expression types. Okay, so first one is here monomial. Okay, an expression in which only one term consists is called monomial. Okay, see this 3x square y minus 3y 4 x to the power of 5. Okay, all these are known as a monomial expression because there is only one term. Okay, guys, now second one is binomial. Okay, so what will be the definition? An expression which have two unlike terms are called binomial. Okay, guys, here see 3x square y plus 3xy. Okay, so guys, see I have word used here unlike terms. Okay, so what will be the definition of unlike term? First, you know, unlike terms. Okay, in algebraic expression, when two terms have not same variables, or if they have same variable, then their power must be differ. Okay guys, so guys, see here, I have taken here a algebraic expression, this one. Okay, so here see, x and y are variables here. However, in first term the power of x is 2 and in second term power of x is 1. So both the terms are unlike terms. Okay guys, so this satisfy our this expression. Okay, this one. And now see another one. If we write it as a 3x plus 3y. Okay, so what you see here, x and y are two independent variables. Okay? And you can say these two terms are unlike terms. Now see example of a like terms. Okay, so if we write here 3x and minus 4x, so what you will see here, only coefficient 3 and minus 4 differ, however variables are here same, so x is common. Okay, so in like terms variables and their power must be same, however they differ only by the coefficient. Okay guys, now third one is a trinomial here. So third one, trinomial. Okay, when an expression has three unlike terms is called trinomial. Okay, see, 3x square y plus 4. Okay, all the terms are differ to each other, so this is an example of trinomial algebraic expression. Guys, can we say this one as a trinomial? Here is three terms, 3x square minus 4y plus 5y. So guys, our answer is no. Why? Because this one and this one are example of a like terms, or when you simplify this one, then this becomes a this expression. Okay, so this one becomes an example of a binomial expression. Okay, so take care about these things. Now fourth one is a polynomial. Okay, when an expression has more than one unlike terms is called polynomial algebraic expression. Okay guys, see example, x square plus y plus z plus 3 minus 3xyz and dot 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 so on. Okay guys, so this is the example of a polynomial algebraic expression. Now guys, here till now we read what terms, coefficient, factors, constant term, like and unlike terms, and various algebraic expression. Now using all these things we will see some examples. Okay guys, so our first example, see here, cost of one ball is rupees of 6 here. Okay, now how to express this one ball cost in algebraic form according to the data or question. Okay, suppose one boy or girl go to the shopkeeper and says to him, I want two balls. Okay, so what will be the cost at that time? So we write cost of one ball 6 into 2, then this becomes 12 rupees. Okay, again suppose 3 guys goes there and say to the shopkeeper, I need 5 balls. Okay, so what will be the cost at that time? 6 into 5, so this becomes 30 rupees. So guys, what you see guys, according to the number of balls, the guy has to give more money. Okay, so you can generalize it. If we write cost here and this one is a rupees of 6, okay, and if we write here m denote the here number of ball. Okay, so we can formulate it, so we can write it as 6m in rupees. Okay, suppose one guy goes to shop and say I need 7 balls. Okay, so simply the shopkeeper will say 6 into 7, this is 42, so you guy have to pay me 42 rupees. So in this way algebra work here. Okay, in formation of a formula. Now see another example. See here algebraic expression 4x plus 2y plus 3y square minus open square bracket, then plus sign 2x minus open curly bracket 2y square minus 2 3x plus 4y, then small bracket close, curly bracket closed here, and this one square bracket closed here. Okay, now you guys to solve this question or simplify this one and find the value when x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, so solution, first of all we simplify this expression. Okay, so we use here the concept of BODMAS. I have already uploaded a video based on this topic. The link of this video is given in the description box. Okay guys, so what we write here, 4x plus 2y plus 3y square minus 8y square plus 2x minus curly bracket open 2y square minus 2 3x plus 4y close a small bracket, then curly bracket close this one. Okay guys, now what we write again, 4x plus 2y plus 3y square. Use the board mass, we go left to right, B for bracket, or so first we open the small bracket or solve the small bracket. Okay guys, so 2x minus curly bracket 2y square, see here, minus 2 into 3x minus 6x minus 8y. Okay, more detail you can also follow board mass video, multiplication of integers. Okay, where I have taken a different cases, minus 1 into plus 1 equal to minus 1. When minus 1 into minus 1, this becomes the plus 1 or 1. Okay guys, so this one becomes 4x plus 2y plus 3y square minus sign. Okay, now 8y square plus 2x. Now see here what we write, minus 2y square plus 6x plus 8y. Okay, now solve this one again, 4x plus 2y plus 3y square minus this one and this one. Okay, the like terms, so we subtract it, 6y square or 2x plus 6x, then it is 8x 8y. Okay guys, so guys see this one, 4x and minus 8x are like terms, so this becomes minus 4x, 2y and minus 8y becomes 6y, and this 3y square and 6y square becomes 3y square. Okay guys, so this is our solution. Okay guys, now put the value x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Okay, so what we will get, minus 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3 minus 3 into 3 square. Okay, so you can also write it as a this and 3 to the power of 2 means 3 multiplication 3, so this becomes minus 8 minus 18. So our solution becomes what, minus 53. Okay guys, this one is a example number 2. Now see example 3. See this one, question 3 here. This one, mathematical expression 2x square plus y minus 3 open square bracket 3x square minus open curly bracket 2x minus here 4x minus 3x minus y bar over this one, close the small bracket, close the curly bracket, now close the square bracket. Okay, so what will be the solution of this mathematical algebraic expression? So we again use the concept of board mass. Okay, we go left to right, B stand for bracket or B also stand for bar also. Okay, so we solve the bar first here. So 2x square plus y minus 3, this and this one curly bracket open 2x minus 4x. Now we can write it as a minus 3x plus y, okay, and then again write it as a this one. See why I have written minus then plus, okay. Suppose 3 minus 4 and this sign is given, okay. So what will be the solution? First of all we solve this one. So this becomes minus 1 multiplication of minus 1, then this becomes 1, okay. Now see, if we write this one, so we can also write minus 3 then plus 4, okay. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4, so this becomes 1. So you can remember this one, okay. Now next we write 2x square plus y minus 3, here 3x square. Now solve the small bracket 2x, so this becomes minus sign x minus x plus y, guys, okay. Now close the curly bracket, then square bracket, okay guys. Next one will be 2x square plus y minus 3 open square bracket 3x square minus open curly bracket minus x minus y curly bracket close square bracket close 2x square plus y minus 3 then 3x square. Now we solve this curly bracket, so this becomes curly bracket x minus y curly bracket closed here and square bracket closed 2x square plus y minus 3, this becomes 3x square minus x plus y, okay guys. Now remove this square bracket, so 2x square plus y minus 9x square plus 3x minus 3y, okay. So what we will do next here, this one is a like terms, okay. So minus 7x square or this one and this one are like terms, so this becomes a minus 2y and then this one is a 3x, okay guys. So our solution is this one, however we will rearrange it, 3x will come first, then minus 2y minus 7x square. So this is our solution. Hope you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like this Foundation JEE channel and share to your friends and family, so also they get benefit from this channel. Thank you very much.